subscribe to our channel.
We'll make our rose right here. So stretch your 260 cube and pump air. So just like about that, leaving 1 or 2 fists on the tip. Tie it right here, and then squeeze. You want to fold this one just a little bit, about 2 fingers. Pinch and then twist. So it's gonna turn out like that. Okay? Over here, squeeze, pinch. Fold, pinch it right here, pinch and twist. Same thing, you wanna fold, pinch and twist. And there you go, guys. So now you squeeze this here, 1 fist, pinch and twist. Fold this here, you're gonna same size, pinch and twist. Get this in between, like that. It's gonna look like this. So right there, so you wanna pinch it right here, so about the same size here, pinch and twist. And then you put this in here, through here. So you go like that. So you have this. Okay. So I'll turn around and then squeeze a little. Put this in between. And then you just have to wrap this around. Like that. Go this way so you will see. Put this in here and then feed the tail. There you go, guys. So I just have to arrange. And there goes your rose. So now this is gonna be the stem. So just stretch. Same thing, 260 cube. Pump 1, 2, 3, 4. So I leave like another tail right there. Unless you want it really long. Okay. So the same thing, you squeeze a little, and then you fold this like that, about 3 fingers. Or if you want it longer, it's up to you. So pinch and twist. And then the tip right here, feed it through. You want to make another one the same size, pinch and twist. So just feed this through here again. So you want to make 3 leaves, pinch and twist, and then just twist them so it's not going nowhere. Here it is, guys. So this will connect. So see the tip right here? Put this in between and just wrap it around. So it's not going nowhere. I'll put it to the flower itself right there. Just like that. Just like that. And there goes your rose.